Right, hi there. Another busy week. Estate agents have all left. Loads of food for thought. And to clear my mind, I'm going to crack on with some Workbench. So today what I want to do is get my braces for the leg cut. So I need to remove the fixed height catch off the miter saw and cut them to length. I've just measured the first one, looking for 472 mil. Was a really nice day, just gone a bit overcast. Fingers crossed we'll be okay. Okay, next thing I need to do, that's going to be my first bracer. So what I want to do, I'm going to have a leg coming down like that. I want it to meet at the end. Okay, so I've just inserted one of the bracers into two of the legs just to see how we're looking. It's a long way from perfect, but it's okay. I think we can live with that. So obviously you can see it's the leg that is holding the bracer in place. But then what I want to do, if you can imagine, there's going to be length bracers going along also. And then what I intend to do is where the length bracer meets here, have a trench cut there so that it actually fits in and sandwiches those two and holds them in place. The only issue I might have with that is I don't think my saw's very happy doing trench cuts to that dimension as opposed to that dimension. So that actually might just be measured and chiseled out. But for the first one, that's okay. Okay, same thing again. Let's just mark. Okay, we have cut our braces, and I've just sort of put them in place, just to see how we're looking. That's actually standing up on its own. But what I think we need to do is maybe just do a little bit of tidying up, bit of chiseling, and then fit some bolts and get this dry fitted. So I bought some 65mm bolts, which to be honest are too long, but where they stick out, I don't think it's going to be the end of the world. So I think I can live with that. Got a couple of 45mm ones. On this piece, I use one of each and just try and make it look a little tidier. And if you can imagine, this is the outside of my legs. So I'm going to have the length bracer coming along here. So I'm going to want these two. I'm going to deliberately place them on the inside. So let's have one there, about a third of the way up. Another there, about a third of the way down. Yeah. And then what I think I'm going to do, just going to clamp that in place just while I drill it. $5mm drill. And in fact, just going to go over that first one again with a 6mm drill. Yeah, 6mm better. I'm not going to tighten these completely because this is only a dry fit. Okay, with the shorter ones, I'm going to need to countersink to be able to get my nut in for half an hour. And obviously it would have been better if I countersunk it before I drilled my pilot hole. Okay, so on the next one, we know, on the next one I won't need to countersink it because I'm using the longer bolts. And what I've also just done there, which I think I will need to do on the others also, is I've countersunk to allow for just that square head on the underside of that. I say not over tightening it. That's my gap. Do you know what? The bad seed Bryden, I'm quite pleased with that. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it there for today. Those braces are coming along. It's not too much more to be done on those. I think maybe in the next one we're actually going to get them on the pallet. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Have a great week. I'll see you on the next one.